Welcome, dreamer. I'm so glad that you're finally here. This is your time to train your awareness. A short journey between waking and dreaming. A conscious nap where your body rests deeply, but your mind stays alert, curious, and awake. You are about to enter a powerful space between two worlds, a place where you can practice awareness, shape dreams, and awaken in the world of the subconscious. If you are here, it means you are ready to explore, ready to master the art of staying conscious while the body sleeps. Each time you practice, you strengthen your connection between the waking mind and the dreaming mind. The more you listen, the more natural lucid dreaming will become. For the most effective results, listen to this session every day for at least 30 days in a row. This will train your body and mind to respond to relaxation with awareness. Now, let's begin. Make sure you are in a quiet place where nothing will disturb you. Lie down comfortably on your back. Uncross your legs and arms. Let your hands rest softly beside your body. Close your eyes. Put on headphones. Allow all sounds to fade into the background. This is your time. This is your training. You are not here to sleep deeply. You are here to learn how to remain awake within the space of rest. Your goal is to keep your mind aware while your body sinks into stillness. Like a calm lake under a clear sky, perfectly still, perfectly aware. We will now relax the body slowly, part by part, from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. This gradual release teaches the body that it can sleep while the mind remains awake. Start with the back of your head. Feel the weight of your head pressing gently against the surface beneath you. Let go of all tension from your scalp. Relax your forehead. Smooth out any lines. Let the space around your eyes soften. Relax your cheeks, your jaw, your tongue. Let your mouth rest loosely. Move your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Feel them release. Allow them to drop into full relaxation. Let the warmth of calm spread through your chest and upper back. Notice your breathing. Slow. Steady. Natural. Each breath deepens your relaxation. Now move down your arms. Feel the energy softening your biceps, your elbows, your wrists, all the way to your fingertips. Your arms are completely still, heavy and calm. Bring attention to your spine. Feel it supported and free. Let go of any tightness along the back. Let your stomach relax. Your hips, your legs, your knees, your ankles, and finally your toes. Each part of your body is melting into calm. Now your body feels distant, almost like it does not belong to you. It is simply there, breathing quietly, resting deeply. You are the awareness that observes. You are the silent witness. Your body sleeps, but you remain awake. Now that your body is relaxed, set a clear intention for your next lucid dream. Say in your mind, "Tonight, when I dream, I will realize that I am dreaming. I will recognize the dream world. I will remain calm. I will remain curious. And I am in control." Repeat this a few times quietly. Tonight, when I dream, I will realize that I am dreaming. I will recognize the dream world. I will remain calm, curious, and in control. Tonight, when I dream, I will realize that I am dreaming. I will recognize the dream world. I will remain calm, curious, and in control. Let the words sink into your subconscious. Your mind listens. Your inner self prepares. Every time you say these words, you're programming your awareness. This intention becomes a key that will unlock lucidity when the time comes. As you rest now, imagine yourself floating gently in a soft, weightless space. You can hear your breath. You can feel your heartbeat, but your body feels light, almost transparent. You're aware of everything, yet you're completely calm. Notice any small movements of energy in your body, tingling in your fingers, a vibration, a pulse. Do not move. Simply observe. You're training your awareness to remain steady even as your body drifts into deeper relaxation. Your thoughts may come and go. That is normal. Each time you notice a thought, gently return to your breath. Inhale softly. And exhale slowly. Let thoughts float away like clouds across a clear sky. Your only task is to stay aware. If you feel your mind drifting towards sleep, simply remind yourself, I am aware. My body sleeps. My mind stays awake. I am practicing lucidity. Now imagine a soft, golden light above your head. This light represents awareness. With each breath, this light becomes brighter, surrounding your entire body. You are bathed in warm, radiant calm. You are deeply relaxed, but fully awake. With every exhale, feel your body sinking even deeper. And with every inhale, feel your mind becoming clearer and sharper. Your awareness is like a bright flame that stays steady, no matter how deep the body goes into rest. Your body is now in complete stillness. Your breathing is smooth. Your thoughts are gentle. You're hovering between wakefulness and sleep, the gateway to lucidity. Now, imagine you're standing at the edge of a beautiful dream landscape. Perhaps a field of stars, perhaps a quiet ocean dusk. The air feels soft and welcoming. You know this is the threshold of a dream. Say softly in your mind, I am dreaming. I am dreaming. I am dreaming. Watch how the world around you responds. Maybe colors become brighter. Maybe sound becomes sharper. You can feel the dream forming, yet you're aware that you're still resting. You are now training the bridge between worlds. Each time you reach this state, it becomes easier to step consciously into a dream. You are mastering the art of waking within the dream. Remember, you are dreaming. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the room you are in. Feel the surface beneath your body. Hear the sounds around you. Begin to deepen your breath. Inhale slowly. And exhale fully. Move your fingers gently. Move your toes. Let your awareness rise up fully to the waking state. Now, perform a simple reality check to confirm that you're in the waking world. Look at your hands now. Count your fingers slowly. If you have the normal number of fingers, you are awake. You can also press one hand through the palm of the other. If it does not pass through, this is reality. You are here, in this moment, aware and conscious. You have completed your lucid dreaming training for today. Your mind has learned to stay awake while the body rests. Each time you return to this practice, your awareness will grow stronger. When you go to sleep tonight, you may notice moments of clarity. You may find yourself asking, am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? And when you do, the answer will be yes.